was just gonna roll the bike out. I opened the garage door and it was nice this morning, but now it just started to rain and I went outside and a whole bunch of clouds rolling in. So we're gonna have to do this video inside. So you guys already seen the video on my beautiful Saddlemen road sofa with backrest. This seat does come with a backrest. I have it up in the shelf right there. Silver stitching, silver logo, Saddlemen road sofa, gel in the driver's area and in the passenger area. This seat is absolutely awesome. So I'm actually gonna be using this seat for my long distance trip, which is going to be a cross-country trip, probably about 10 or 11,000 miles if you guys aren't aware or haven't been watching. We're gonna be doing that trip in July. It's probably gonna take about 4 weeks. A lot of miles. That's why I wanted this seat. This seat is definitely going to help doing that long distance trip with the backrest and the comfort level that this seat has. I already put out a video on it, but a lot of you guys know I always do performance baggers. So some of you guys were asking me like, well, this seat doesn't kind of match your style. I don't know. I would say you're wrong because this seat actually looks really badass. But I did tell you guys that I did have another seat on its way. That seat is actually here. And I can't wait to show you guys the seat. It's gonna look awesome. It's actually the same seat or the same design style seat that I had on Mad Max. If you guys remember Mad Max, I also had Custom Dynamics Shark Demon headlight on that bike. And they are like selling out like hotcakes. Nobody even has them in stock. Guess what? I got 5 Shark Demon headlights right there. If anybody is interested, if anybody has a 2018 through 23 Road Glide, this Shark Demon is for you. Just go down below in the video description, click on the link, it'll take you straight to the site so you could pick one up. I only have 5, and I'm telling you now, a lot of sites don't even have them. So if you are interested, definitely check it out. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take this road sofa off. This is an absolutely gorgeous seat. I'm gonna show you guys the brand new seat that I just got from Saddlemen. Man, I am super excited about this. So if you guys are purchasing a Saddlemen seat, I would definitely highly recommend to get the Saddlemen lock. It comes with this key right here. Hopefully you could see that. It comes with that key right there. And this key will open up the Saddlemen lock. It is really good if you do have an expensive seat on there. I would strongly recommend if you're gonna be purchasing already an expensive, high quality seat from Saddlemen, I would strongly recommend to get this. This is kind of the lock and the bolt that it comes with, because for that, for a couple bucks, you have peace of mind. If you go anywhere, you know your seat's still gonna be there. But this is super easy. I take this one off and let me show you guys what I got. All right. I am so excited about this. There's a couple upgrades that when I get, I'm like a kid at Christmas. I get super excited, and a seat is just one of those things. If you guys remember Mad Max, my last bike, I had the same seat on it, and I just loved it so much, I had to get it again. So this is a step up tuck and roll, silver stitching, and silver Saddlemen logo. Look at that thing, huh? What a beauty. Look at that. So here you go, guys. I told you guys have to be patient, and I was going to obviously get everything, but it just takes time right now because this is a new bike, and I think I have a wrench over here just for this. Yeah, so like everything just takes time right now. I just got the Memphis Shades handguards and they weren't available. And if you guys didn't know, the Memphis Shades handguards are specific for this year. So like you can't put on a set of Memphis Shades handguards from a 2022 or a 2023 Road Glide and put it on the new one, because they are different. If you guys didn't know that, now you do. So all I have to do is switch this over hopefully, if it's not raining, I will bring the bike out because I do want you guys to see exactly how this is gonna look. But this is how it's gonna be with this new bike. And I told you guys that from the beginning. It's just like not everything is available. So as things come in slowly, I'll start putting them on the bike, and you guys could, you know, follow along and see what I do. Do the same if you want. I'm also going to have links for this seat, for the my exact same seat, for the step up tuck and roll, and also for the road sofa with the backrest. But these are custom order seats. So if you do go over to the link and purchase it, it is still going to be about 4 to 6 weeks to get this seat. Nobody has these seats, but we're working with Saddlemen directly to get you guys these seats. So let me throw this thing on. Oh man, it's looking good already. Oh wow, yeah. I mean, it definitely makes the bike look different a little bit in the back. Some people don't like the road sofa because like right here, it gets a little bulbous, but there's a reason for that, obviously. It's a road sofa. So if you have a passenger, the passenger is gonna be, you know, super comfortable on their ride, not just you. But obviously these step-up tuck and rolls, it's a little more sporty look, but it doesn't have the wider bulbous passenger area. So can you still ride somebody on the back? Of course you can. Will they be as comfortable on a long distance trip than like the road sofa? Of course not. Okay. Yeah. That looks really, really good. So you know what, guys? There are clouds coming, but I want to show you guys this outside. So let me pop the door open because I'm sure you guys are itching to see what it looks like. All right, guys, let me go get the bike. Oh, wow. Yeah. It's really, really comfortable too. So you guys know the positioning, I don't use a extended reach seat. This one's not extended reach. The road sofa is not extended reach. I am 6 foot 2 inches tall. Let me turn the bike a little differently, a little better, so this way at least you guys could take a look, and I'll situate the camera. Well, how about this first? Let me show you guys how this seat looks. As I'm telling you, it is really nice. Look at that thing, huh? Wow, tell me that doesn't look amazing. See, I mean, it's true. I mean, I agree with a lot of you guys, you know, yes, does it look more sportier? Yeah, of course. You know, that's 100%. That's why this seat, that's why they made this seat. It's a more sporty look. But the other one is a road sofa. That's why it's called a road sofa, because it's meant to slay miles, to put a lot of miles down. But I'll be perfectly honest with you guys. I had the tuck and roll on Mad Max, and I did some really long trips, you know, Daytona, 2,500 miles. Couple times, and you know, I had no issues on that seat. I did a couple, I did a bun burner on Mad Max. I did 1,200 miles straight with the tuck and roll. So it is definitely comfortable. I think what I'm realizing is the new models, okay, the 2024, that's why the seats from the previous models won't work. It looks wider. I mean, that's just me. It definitely looks wider. That's actually a good thing, because that it disperses like your butt cheeks across better, instead of, you know, having a more narrower seat. That's where, like, if you had to sit on something like this, like a dirt bike for 16 hours, nah. As soon as you get off, you'd look like you were on a horse probably for a couple days. You'd be walking bow-legged. But this seat, it's really comfortable. It feels like it doesn't place me forward or taller at all. It kind of feels like the same, like the stock seat, but just way, way, way more comfy. But wow, look how that looks, guys. That looks absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna be keeping this seat on the bike for now. And when I do my cross-country trip, I'm gonna give you a good thorough review on this seat in the next couple months. And then come July, when I do go on my long distance trip, that's when I'll slap the road sofa on with the backrest. I'll be good to go. If I do go on any long distance trips from today to July, yeah, I'll probably use the road sofa. I'll definitely use the road sofa. But this one will be for, you know, the sporty feel, the performance bagger look, performance bagger events, whatever, whether it's, you know, bike nights, whatever, bikes and breakfast. This thing looks really, really good. Let me know down below in the comments, guys, what you guys think. I'm gonna put the camera down on the tripod now, so I want you guys to see how I'm actually situated, where my feet are and where my body position is. Wow, it looks really good. All right, you guys are like perfectly in line with me. So that's how I look on the bike. So yeah, it feels the same. My arm positioning feels the same. How much I had to, you know, reach over for the bars and stuff. Didn't bring me closer, didn't bring me back anymore. Feels like the height is the same. Height maybe, I'll say height maybe a little tiny bit higher, but marginal. It's not much. Yeah. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will be happy to answer them. Like I said, I'll have links down below for this seat, for the Saddlemen's road sofa, for the tuck and roll, and also I'll have a link for the Custom Dynamics Shark Demon headlights. I only have 5 in stock. They're gonna go fast. So head over there and check them out. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section or in an email. I'll try to answer them for you. But this seat is absolutely phenomenal. I love this seat. I love the tuck and roll too. I just love it.